Okay, what I want to do is factor each denominator separately. Fairly simple to do. They're difference of perfect squares. So the first guy is going to factor as A plus B plus C. The second guy, I'm sorry, so on the first guy, it's A minus B minus C. Let's do the second factorization. You know, it's B plus C plus A, and then B minus C, let's see, minus A, right? Let's do the third guy, and that's going to be C plus A plus B times C minus A minus B. I want to claim, I'm going to reorder them, but right now I want to point out that I see something. I see this factor is identical to this factor is identical to this factor. So just to make my life easier, I'm going to factor that out. So from these three terms, I'm going to factor out the A plus B plus C from those three terms in the bottom. What would it be left off? Certainly one's on top, right? Now, the first term, I'm going to make sure you understand what I'm talking about over here. I'd be left with this factor, right? The second term, I'd be left with this factor. But what I did was I reordered it by factoring out a minus 1. Now, if I factor out a minus 1, this becomes minus. And what does the bottom become? It becomes A minus B plus C. I definitely see that. Let's do the third one. That remains, but I want to put it in order, like the A, B, C order. So I'm going to factor out a minus 1 again. So this becomes a negative. And let's see what I get. I get A plus B minus C. I see that. Now, I got to be honest with you. This is, the part where I may wonder what I have to do over here. I'm kind of looking at it, and I'm going to say a common denominator would be, A minus B minus C, A minus B plus C, A plus B minus C. And then, unfortunately, I got some work to do. But I have this. This remains. This is my common denominator. And by the way, I notice his work over here. There's no doubt about its work over there. And then the question becomes are you done with it? As far as I'm concerned, I think you're done with it. All right, I think you're done with it. So I'm going to say this is where I stopped. Okay, this brings me to a point. Sometimes when I stop, someone says, you know what, I see something. By the way, I thought I saw something here on the top, but I really didn't. I thought I saw something there, but I really didn't. At least I don't think I saw something there. And I want to remind you, Wells, no such solution to this problem. I'm sure he had one somewhere, but this is a draft version, which means probably going to be edited at some point. You can reach out to me. My email is Bannon, that's B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. And if you have comments or suggestions on how to make the document better, please let me know. All right, please let me know. Thank you.